Have you ever dreamed of getting rich while lounging on your couch, sipping your favorite drink? What if I told you that the secret to riches is doing less? Yes, you heard that right. In a world obsessed with the hustle, we're about to flip the script. Today, we're diving into a book that turns every hard work cliché on its head. The Lazy Man's Way to Riches by Joe Carbo isn't just a book. It's a revolutionary philosophy where minimal effort unlocks maximum wealth. So sit back and relax, because we're about to embark on a journey that challenges everything you thought you knew about achieving wealth and success. Let's shatter the myth that the road to riches is paved with relentless hard work. What if I told you that the secret to extraordinary wealth lies in a different direction? Forget the endless grind. Efficiency trumps effort. In the world of high achievers, it's not the sweat on the brow that counts. It's the spark in the brain. The wealthiest and most successful individuals are not necessarily the hardest workers, rather they are the smartest workers. Think about it. The old school hustle is like using a map in the age of GPS. Sure, it can get you there, but why take the long route? Bill Gates once said, "I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it." This insight is a cornerstone of our journey today. It involves redefining laziness from a vice to a virtue. The lazy approach seeks the most efficient, effective path to success. It's about leveraging your natural abilities and insights to find smarter, not harder ways to achieve your goals. In this world, being lazy means being strategically savvy. Knowing when to exert effort and when to conserve energy is key. This approach is about tuning into your instincts, recognizing opportunities for leverage, and making moves that are both impactful and effortless. As we delve into The Lazy Man's Way to Riches, remember, this isn't an endorsement of idleness, but a blueprint for intelligent, intuitive, and inspired action. It's discovering a unique path to wealth that resonates with your strengths and passions. Redefining the journey to wealth, The Lazy Way shows how doing less can indeed lead to achieving more. This is the art of strategic laziness. It's not about lounging on a beach, though that's not a bad idea occasionally. It's about making smart choices that multiply your efforts without multiplying your work. In this game, the winners are those who identify opportunities where a little effort goes a long way. Find those leverage points in life and business where your smart choices create maximum impact. Imagine being a chess grandmaster, seeing several moves ahead. That's how the lazy rich operate. They're not reacting to life. They're strategically planning their moves so that each one carries them further with less effort. This approach is about foresight, understanding market trends, human psychology, and your own strengths. It's about making decisions today that pay dividends tomorrow, next month, next year. But it's not just about making money. It's about creating value. Value for yourself, sure, but also for others. When you focus on creating value, the riches follow, almost as if by magic. But really, it's just strategic laziness at its finest. Your mindset shapes your reality. A mindset geared towards growth, efficiency, and opportunity sees potential where others see barriers. This involves cultivating a mindset that finds the path of least resistance to success. Intuition is your secret weapon. It's that gut feeling, the inner compass that guides you towards choices that resonate with your core. When you align your actions with your intuition, decisions become easier, and success feels almost effortless. Trusting your intuition is like having an internal GPS guiding you towards success. It's about tapping into your subconscious wisdom, honed by experiences and knowledge, to make decisions that align with your goals and values. Remember, the lazy way isn't about avoiding work. It's about working in harmony with your deepest instincts and beliefs. Make your work an extension of your natural talents and inclinations. When you do this, work doesn't feel like work anymore. The fusion of dynamic energy and psychological insight unlocks your greatest potential. Think of it as a dormant powerhouse within you, akin to electricity omnipresent, yet requiring your initiative to harness its full potential. This is the untapped power of your subconscious mind, a reservoir of creativity, intuition, and insight. By tapping into this power, you unlock abilities and solutions that were always within your reach, yet remained unexplored. Imagine your subconscious as a vast ocean of potential. Just beneath the surface lies a wealth of knowledge, experiences, and instincts. You must navigate to these depths, bringing to the surface insights that can transform your approach to wealth and success. Engaging with your subconscious isn't about passive dreaming. It's an active exploration. It involves tuning into your inner dialogue, recognizing patterns, and leveraging your innate wisdom to make decisions that resonate deeply with your goals and aspirations. It's like flipping a switch that illuminates your path to success. By aligning your conscious efforts with the powerful currents of your subconscious mind, you create a synergy that propels you towards your goals with less strain and more clarity. So how do you tap into the magic of your subconscious mind? By creating a daily practice for the transformation of your approach to wealth and success. Start by setting aside time each day for reflection and visualization. Allow your mind to explore possibilities and solutions that your conscious mind hasn't yet considered. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. It's not just about seeing what you want to achieve. It's about feeling it, experiencing it in your mind's eye. This practice strengthens the connection between your conscious goals and your subconscious insights. Use visualization not as a mere daydreaming exercise, but as a strategic tool. Visualize not only the end goal, but also the steps to get there. This clarity can help align your subconscious with your conscious actions, making your journey towards success more intuitive and less forced. Remember, the aim is alignment, not just aspiration. It's about aligning your daily actions, thoughts, and feelings with the immense power of your subconscious. When these elements are in harmony, the path to wealth and success becomes less about struggle and more about natural progression. Now, let's tackle one of the biggest hurdles on the road to riches: mental barriers. These are the invisible walls we build that limit our potential, often without us even realizing it. The first step is recognizing these barriers. They often manifest as self-doubt, fear of failure, or limiting beliefs about what's possible. Your daily practice of going within will empower you to identify these barriers and then methodically break them down. Breaking down these mental barriers doesn't require brute force. It requires understanding and reprogramming. This involves replacing "I can't" with "How can I?" This shift in mindset opens up a world of possibilities and aligns your subconscious with a success-oriented trajectory. You can also utilize the power of positive affirmations along with visualization to reprogram your mind for success. Regularly affirming your capabilities and visualizing your success helps in rewiring your subconscious, gradually dismantling those mental barriers. Now that we've covered the power of your mindset and subconscious alignment, it's time to look at some practical strategies. These strategies aren't just theoretical concepts, they are actionable steps on the lazy road to riches. Understanding and harnessing your inner resources is only half the journey. The other half is about applying this understanding in the real world. It's one thing to know the path, it's another to walk it. As we transition, remember that the most profound insights are only as powerful as the actions they inspire. Here, the focus shifts to the art of smart delegation. You can achieve more by doing less yourself. It's not about shouldering every responsibility. It's about harnessing the strengths and capabilities of others. This strategy frees up your time for high-impact activities, optimizing your productivity. The secret lies in identifying tasks for delegation, focusing on those that consume time, but don't necessarily require your unique expertise. Building a network of trustworthy and skilled individuals is crucial. It's about establishing relationships based on trust and clear communication, ensuring that delegated tasks align with your goals. The true mastery in delegation comes from striking a balance between control and freedom. You must set clear expectations and guidelines while allowing room for innovation and individuality. This balance not only optimizes your time, but also fosters an environment of growth and success for everyone involved, paving the way for a collective journey towards wealth and achievement. Next, we step into the realm of proactive procrastination, a counterintuitive yet incredibly effective approach to skyrocketing productivity. This isn't about shirking responsibilities, it's about mastering the art of strategic delay. By distinguishing between active and passive procrastination, we unlock a superior level of efficiency. Active procrastination is a deliberate choice. It's about prioritizing tasks based on their impact and urgency, not just their deadline. This method allows us to focus our energies where they're needed most, while intentionally delaying less critical tasks. Now let's redefine our view of deadlines. Instead of seeing them as looming threats, we can view them as catalysts for productivity. Deadlines aren't just finish lines, they're tools that sharpen our focus, enhance our planning, and align our work rhythm with our natural inclination to delay. By embracing deadlines, we transform them into motivational forces. They compel us to break down tasks, set achievable goals, and establish a productive workflow. This approach turns deadlines from sources of stress into instruments of strategic planning. This concept transcends traditional time management. It's a complete reimagining of our relationship with time and tasks. It's a dance between urgency and importance, where you're the choreographer of your productivity. In this dance, every delay is calculated, every action intentional, turning a common vice into a powerful ally in your pursuit of success. The ultimate goal in the lazy way to riches is passive income, making money while you sleep. Imagine your bank balance growing while you're on vacation or indulging in your hobby. This is the magic of passive income, a silent yet powerful wealth builder where strategic investments bloom into steady streams of revenue. It's about setting in motion investments and ventures that flourish on their own. Picture the diversity of these income sources: real estate properties that generate rent without daily oversight, stocks quietly amassing dividends, and online businesses thriving in the digital space. Each venture, a seed planted, evolves into a robust tree of income, requiring minimal tending but yielding abundant fruit. Embrace the world of index funds, ETFs, and dividend stocks, simplified strategies for the laid-back investor. These are not just income streams, they are your financial allies working silently in the background. Passive income opens up a world where earning is not bound by the hours you work, but by the smart choices you make, where your time and freedom are as valuable as the wealth you accumulate. And finally, we have the concept of work-life balance. The journey from laziness to fulfillment hinges on striking a harmonious balance between work and enjoyment. It involves identifying and aligning your passions with your work, ensuring that your career brings genuine joy and fulfillment. This alignment fuels motivation and productivity, making work feel more like a purposeful endeavor. Embracing leisure time is equally crucial for well-being. Leisure acts as a rejuvenating force, essential for reducing stress and boosting creativity. Effective time management and setting boundaries are key to enjoying quality leisure time. Achieving work-life balance involves adopting an approach that values working smarter, not harder. This means prioritizing personal well-being alongside professional achievements, ensuring a sustainable balance that allows for thriving in all aspects of life. In conclusion, the journey to wealth and success isn't a sprint, it's a strategic, mindful marathon. Embracing the lazy way doesn't mean shunning hard work, it means redefining it. Align your actions with innate strengths and insights, ensuring each effort is doubly effective. This journey challenges the conventional grind, advocating for a more insightful, intuitive method. Harness your unique abilities, tap into the profound power of your subconscious, and shift from a mindset of relentless grind to one of impactful, strategic action. So, as you step forward, carry with you the lessons of efficiency, intuition, and smart decision-making. Let these be your guides on your journey to wealth, success, and beyond. The lazy way might just be the smartest way after all.